Hello and welcome to Cooking at Fan's Kitchen. So, I'm actually happy you're here. You know, I'm so excited because we are about to take a food adventure together. So here at Fan, it's about cultural diversity through food. What do I mean by that? Why can't we explore other cultures through their food, through what they eat, through what they make on special occasions? So, my name is Anna. I'll be your host, and I am from Jamaica. So, I'll teach you how to make oxtail, curry goat, rice and peas, and yes, cocoa tea. What is cocoa tea, you ask? Well, in America, most people say hot chocolate, but in Jamaica, we call it cocoa tea. It's basically cocoa, like cocoa powder, added to a pot of hot water. So we add cinnamon, nutmeg, a pinch of salt, and then we sweeten it with condensed milk. So there you go, try it, it's very delicious. So I decided to start this channel because I wanted to dedicate something to my sister Fan, who taught me everything I know about cooking and food. She was the first person who introduced me and my sisters to different flavors. I remember when my Uncle George would visit from Miami, the first thing he wanted was a cup of my sister's coffee. And no, we didn't have a coffee maker, we don't do drip, we don't do fancy coffee. In Jamaica, I grew up with coffee, instant coffee. You know, today if you go online, there's so many different coffee makers. I mean, I don't know which one to choose. But I grew up with the good old instant coffee, and my sister would make that the best coffee in the world. Why can't we travel the world through food? Why can't we learn about different flavors? Something that just stimulates our taste buds and just make us go, whoa! That's what food's about. That's what I love about food. To me, food is about what comes out of your kitchen, out of your home, that love that you put into it. You know, when I was a kid and I got home from school, I could tell whether or not it was a special occasion, because my sister Fan, you could smell it from like down the hill. Her cooking was so great. I couldn't wait for Sunday dinners. Maybe you can teach me something, and maybe I can teach you something, and maybe we could teach the world something. So let's cook together. Let's explore another culture through food, and let's see where it goes. So again, thank you for joining me, and I really appreciate your time. And subscribe, and let's explore together. If you have a recipe you would like me to try, send it to me. If I have a special recipe, I'll put it on here. If I meet a new friend from another country, I'll ask for a special recipe, and we can just explore it together. So thank you. Let's take this journey together, and remember, it's Cooking at Fan's Kitchen, and it's cultural diversity through food. So let's have fun cooking.